It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a vlog and it's a kind of a day in my life, but it's already noon, so it's not like from morning till I go to bed at night. It's more of just like a peek inside of cleaning the house, decorating with me, just to look around the house and like what I'm doing to, you know, kind of get it in place. As you know, we moved down here to Nashville the last week of January, so it's still a work in progress and we're getting ready to completely renovate the kitchen. And there's just, I feel like there's not a single room in the house that is done yet, except for McKinley's bedroom. That's the only room that's done. So right now I'm standing in the hallway, which is it connects the master bedroom, which is back here, to the living room. And I've shown this area a ton on my Instagram stories, and I just wanted to kind of bring a little bit of life in here. So I brought in this sofa table today. This was in our bedroom, in our room, our master bedroom in LA. So we brought it out here. I added some mercury glass lamps. I cannot remember where these were. I think they were in one of the guest bedrooms. And then Matt suggested that we put out our Justin Gaffrey. This is a painting by an artist from 30A that we absolutely love, and it just feels very summery. So I'm just kind of trying to figure out how to style this and make it feel functional, and not really functional because what do you use a hallway for? But just make it feel pretty, because I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. I've been talking about doing like gallery photos. I've talked about putting some benches. I don't really know what to do, so I'm gonna style it and let this speed up and kind of let you guys watch what I'm doing. I did have up the mirror first, but I feel like the painting is just so pretty and I hate to hide it away. So we're gonna make that kind of the centerpiece of this area. So, all right, I'm gonna go pull some stuff and get decorating. One of my very favorite things to do when I'm designing a space or decorating a space is to hop on Instagram and put in a hashtag of whatever I'm looking for. I love coastal decor, so I looked at the hashtag coastal decor and I'm gonna keep looking, but I decided we're gonna go ahead and hang this up so it's eye level, and then I can do a better job of decorating this. And then once I get this done, we're gonna go ahead and clean this breezeway really good and sweep it and all of that fun stuff. And then I have another project I have to do. I'll share with you guys. It's another decorating project. I need to put together it's like a faux fiddly fig that I have in my mom's room that I bought from Walmart. That's amazing, but I need to get it looking better. It looks really gross. So we're gonna decorate in there a little bit, and then we're gonna get some cleaning done. Okay, trying these lamps. These came out of our master bedroom in LA, and I still feel like they're a little bit too dark for the space and a little bit too short. I feel like we've got high ceilings, so we need taller lamps, but they're gonna stay here for right this second until I find lamps that I like, if this is what I'm gonna do with the space. But now I need to figure out some stuff here. I'd love to layer some art if I had another big piece. I'm just gonna have to play around and figure out what's gonna look right here, you know? I am the worst at making decisions, because when it comes to styling, everything I do, I second guess, and I'm like, oh, I don't like that, and I change it and move it and change it and move it. So I just decided to stop, and this is what I came up with for right now. And we're just gonna have to live with it for a second until I decide if this table's gonna stay. If this table's gonna stay, then we need new lamps, because these lamps just aren't getting it for me. They're too dark for the space. On camera, they seem like they're a lot lighter than what they are in person. In person, they're very brown. And yeah, but this is a live plant and it's beautiful, and I feel like it's perfect for this space. Bring some life out here. I have a Monstera over here that I love. Should just become a plant table is what it should be. But I gotta give her a little bit of a haircut today because she's looking sad. But for right now, this is how it's gonna be, so let's go ahead and get to cleaning. Let's do it. So the back patio is still looking really good from when Mom and I did it a couple weeks ago, except for what you can't see behind us, because there's a lot of tools, because Matt is actually going to install a chandelier here for me, not a chandelier, but a pendant light. So I've done a really good job of keeping it up, and my mom has actually been bringing our robot vacuum out here and letting it run every day, and it's really kept down on the dust. So I'm gonna do just a quick cleanup out here and get it spiffy and looking good, and then we'll move back into the house. We're in my mom's room, which is our downstairs guest bedroom, and I bought this fiddly fig. It's a faux. Wow. From Walmart for like, I want to say $55. The quality is unreal. This is the best fiddly fig that I've had. It's so good. And I've had it in this pot and it's just not getting it. Like, it's just too small. So I bought this basket yesterday at TJ Maxx, and we are going to rig it up and make it look really good, add some moss to the top and make it look just really beautiful. So let's get started on that. And that is going to add a really nice punch of green on this side of her fireplace and just add some color and life to this room. All right, so wearing a different outfit because it is a different day. Yeah, this was supposed to be a day in my life video, and it turned out to be more of a clean with me video. That was not intentional. I shot my entire day yesterday. I took you guys to my garden. I showed you an update on how everything's looking, a little bit of a routine about how I water everything, trim everything back, showed you repotting new houseplants that I brought into my home, all kinds of stuff. I showed you a project I'm doing at my front door, which is so cool. Lost all of that, and a lot of stuff in the closet. And yeah, we have none of that. And the reason is because there was a user error. I'm the user error. I blew out everything with the lighting, and the shots that were actually good for lighting, I forgot to turn on the microphone. So it's like I'm a newbie. It's like I've not been doing this for 8 years or anything. I mean, come on, Angela, get with it. I guess it's mom brain, right? I blame everything on mom brain. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's, like I said, it's more of a clean with me, and it was a peek into my life, just a little tiny peek into my life. If you haven't already, go visit me on my blog. I have so much content there that you're gonna love. I post on there every single day, at least since quarantine happened. I've been doing every single day affordable fashion finds, recipes, stuff to do with your kids, all kinds of stuff. So basically what you see here on YouTube times 7 or 6, whatever. But I hope you guys liked what little bit you actually saw of my day. And I'm going to do a day in my life soon, I promise. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you haven't already, and please turn on bell notifications for my channel so that you know when I post a new video. And come visit me over on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of the places. It's just my name, at Angela Lanter. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and thank you for subscribing, because I'm already just counting on that you're subscribed. All right, guys, love you so much. Au revoir.